Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shamel. Today I'm going to present about my website. The title is Integration to Estimate Total Light Intercept by Crop Canopy over time. So my website have four components. The first component is animation. Second component is the YouTube video. Third component is podcast video, and lastly some quizzes. So the first component is animation. I make this simulation or animation using the DeepSeek AI. So you can see the prompt here, and if you want to try, you can paste copy the prompt and paste at the DeepSeek. So about my simulation, the simulation demonstrate how calculus can be used to estimate the total amount of light intercept by crop canopy over time. So this simulation you can test and run the simulation. So after you run the simulation, you can get simulation result. Uh, and the second one is YouTube video. I made this video using AI tool named InVideo AI, and this video about the mastering crop canopy light interception. So you can see.
Number of tiny pieces. In the case of our crops, we're adding up all the little bits of sunlight hitting the leaves over a period of time.
You can also copy this prompt below and paste it in the video AI uh, to make video. So the third one is podcast video. The podcast I'm making it using a notebook LM. So the below here is the prompt. If you want to try it in the notebook LM to get the audio from AI.
But the real question here, the one the sources dig into, is actually quite practical. It's how we can.
And lastly, quizzes. So I'm make this quiz using DeepSeek AI too. And below here, you can see the prompt. You can try it in the DeepSeek AI. Just paste it. So the quiz is about how your to test your understanding of how integration is used to estimate total light intercept by crop canopies. So they have 5 questions. So if you answer and submit, you can get the correct and incorrect answer. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a good evening for everyone. So today I will explain about my website, which is the integration to estimate total light intercepted by crop canopy over time. So this website has 4 components, which is the simulation or animation. Second one is video, and third is podcast video, and lastly the quiz or test. Okay. So first thing first, I will show how to use this animation or simulation. So you just put the amount of what needed in this to count or to calculate the intercepted lights. So after that, you just click the run simulation button and it will show you the graph or the result. So as you can see, there are 2 different colors or which is the yellow and red. So for the yellow one is the leaf area index, which is represent how much leaf area the crop has over time. And for the red one is the solar radiation. This is show indicating how much sunlight is being absorbed by the crop's canopy. So this is the result or the answer for this ni. And for this simulation, I use the DeepSeek. This is the prompt to create this simulation. Okay. The second component is the video YouTube. So I use this prompt and just paste in the AI in video, and it gives me this video. So you just click here.
Hey there, fellow math enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into an intriguing question. How do crops soak up the sun using integration?
Okay, you can see the whole video after this. And next is a podcast video. So this is the prompt. So for this video, I used the Notebook LM to create a voiceover. And after that, I use the AI in video to create a video. And after that, I compile them in the Canva. And you just click here.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at some notes that connect pure maths, calculus specifically, with something very real, growing plants.
Yeah, it's about figuring out how we can use these.
Okay, you can see the whole video after this. So, lastly is the quiz or the test. This test is test your understanding of how integration can be used to estimate total light intersection by crops canopy over time. So there are have 5 questions. So I will answer the question randomly. So after that, you just click the submit answer, and it will give you the correct answer. So this one is the incorrect answer, and it show which one the correct answer. So how to create this quiz? I use this prompt and paste it in the DeepSeek, and I think just that from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafi Haikal. Today, I will present my website, which is Estimating Light Interception by Crop Canopy over time. Okay, my website has 4 components, which is animation, YouTube video, podcast, and quiz. Okay, let's start with animation first. Okay. I'm gonna demonstrate how this animation works. So first, if you drag canopy growth speed a little bit, okay, and you click the animate group, it will show the animation will automatically run. Okay. For the next component, I use in video AI to make this video. Okay, I will show you a little bit of my video.
Hey, what if I told you that the secret to supercharging crop growth lies in a bit of math magic? Stick with me, because today I'm breaking down how integration helps us estimate the total sunlight a crop canopy catches over time. Sounds complicated? Not after this. Let's set the scene. Imagine a field of crops, each leaf acting like a tiny solar panel. The more sunlight these panels collect, the better the plants grow. But sunlight...
Okay, for information, this integration estimate total light is using Beer-Lambert law and time-dependent LAI and light availability, solved via numerical method. Okay, and the third component is podcast. Okay, I will gonna show you.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. What if we told you that calculus concept you're digging into right now?
Integration, specifically.
Yeah, integration. What if it isn't just, equations on a page?
Right.
But actually a tool, something that can measure, well, how much actual sunshine a field of wheat gets.
It really does bridge that gap, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Between the abstract math and the physical world.
Mm-hmm.
So today, this deep dive, and it's tailored specifically for you based on the sources you sent and tying right into that differentiation integration chapter you're looking at. It's all about using integration to figure out the total light, the total amount intercepted by, say, a crop canopy over a period of time.
And knowing that total light, that's not just for fun, is it? I mean, plants use light for photosynthesis.
Exactly. It's their energy.
So the total amount they manage to grab directly impacts, well...
Okay, in agriculture, understanding how much light crop canopy intercepted is crucial for modeling photosynthesis, growth, and yield. Since light availability varies with canopy structure, sun angle and time calculus, particularly integration, provides a mathematical tool to aggregate these dynamics. Okay, for the fourth component is quiz. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate you how this quiz works. So I'm gonna click one question and I will submit quiz. Okay, this quiz will automatically detect your answer if right or not. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, I want to present my Google site. The topic is use integration to estimate total light intercepted by crop canopy over time. This is part one, like the animation. For the part one, the animation, I use DeepSeek.com to do the graph and create an interactive simulation or animation that is very engaging and interesting, so that we can easily understand the concept. This is the animation, like this. The function, the light, and the result, like this. For the part 2, I use AI in video for create a 2 until 3 minutes interactive video about my topic, and you can see the video when you play the video. I play the video in video AI.
Hey there! Ever wondered how farmers know exactly how much light their crops are getting? Today I'm going to show you a cool way to use integration to estimate the total light intercepted by a crop canopy over time. Imagine you're a farmer. Your crops need sunlight to grow, but how do you measure the total amount of light they receive? That's where integration comes in handy. Let's start with the basics. Integration is
I also post the video in YouTube. Okay, this is my podcast for the part 3.
Okay, let's dive in. We've got a really interesting source today. Some excerpts from Mathematics of Light Interception.
Right.
And for the last part is quiz. This quiz, you can answer all the questions and you know the result, false or true. For example, and the result is total result. And that's all for my part.